Hello everybody, my name is Nuff, and today we're going to be heading over to the one and only Saturn. Saturn is a gas giant very similar to Jupiter. It cores a liquid rock, then a liquid hydrogen, and it's able to conduct electricity like metal. It generates the planet's magnetic field. You may be wondering, how is the area around Saturn? Well, we have two neighboring planets, Uranus and Jupiter. Uranus has a very thick cloud cover and atmosphere made up mostly of hydrogen, helium, methane, and ammonia. Jupiter is a gas giant as well as Saturn. It has a huge atmosphere, a liquid mantle, and a liquid and solidish core. There is no interaction between the planets, but there is an interaction between the Saturn's rings and itself with the magnetic field. When we get to Saturn, we were planning to build a tourist attraction to show all the people of Earth how beautiful the rings of Saturn is. You guys may be wondering, is it safe to live on Saturn? Is it safe to visit? Well, I'll tell you, it is definitely not safe. You will need a lot of warm clothing and oxygen, considering there is no oxygen on Saturn, and we're really far away from the sun, receiving no heat at all. Many of you guys may want more information on Saturn, so we have a list of a couple of tools you could use to help you out there. You could always use a spectroscope, which will help you, and you can also ask a scientist. They always know best. Many of you may be wondering, what could you find out about Saturn before you head there? Well, the simplest of them all is, it's really cold, so make sure you pack well. It's really big, so don't get lost, and it has lots of beautiful rings for you to see. And it might take about 6 years to get there, if I'm not mistaken. You may be wondering, how far is it to Saturn? Well, that's easy. It's only 1.2 billion kilometers. That's not that far, but it's actually 80 astronomical units. So that's 12 billion divided by 150 million to get that. Pretty far away if you ask me. You guys may be wondering, how are we going to get to Saturn? Or how are we going to survive there? Or how long? Well, that's simple. It's only going to take us 6 years and 5 months to get there by a spaceship. Simple as that. On the way to Saturn, you'll see many famous planets, like Jupiter and Mars. And it's only going to cost $1.7 billion to get there. Not a lot. Today's technology, it is physically possible to get to Saturn a lot faster than it did a couple of years ago with Pioneer 11. That's all the time I had today. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and as always, stay in school.